Hey, what's going on? The printer guy here. If you're having trouble with your print quality on your HP SmartTank 5000 model, then you're not going to want to miss this video. I'm going to be showing you how to do a manual printhead cleaning with a cleaning kit that's going to be linked down in the description below. This video will be a step-by-step tutorial on how to actually remove the print heads, clean them, and then get them back in the printer and get back to printing normally again. Now, along the way, you are going to need to refill the ink. I'm going to be leaving a link down in the description below for some third-party ink. So the first thing you need to do is go into your printer settings, and you want to get to the point where you can click on print quality report, and that's under printer reports. This print quality report that is printing is going to tell you what colors you need to clean, whichever ones have lines or breaks or are not printing at all. You could have totally blank pages. This printer report could come out totally blank, and that just means you need to clean all of the colors. So you're going to go back and press print quality report again, and you're going to print out that report one more time, but then this time as it's printing, you're going to unplug the printer. The purpose of unplugging the printer is actually so that the print head carriage can be unlocked. It usually is in a locked position. Once we flip this front part of the printer down, we then are going to be able to access the print heads. Now, you are going to need a plastic container aside from the cleaning kit, because that plastic container is where you're actually going to put the print heads in. Hopefully it's a deeper container. So now that the print head carriage is in the middle, we're going to click on this blue tab, and that will actually release the print heads. You should remember from installing them that you actually will click that down to lock them in place. You actually are going to need to click that blue tab to unlock them, and then you're going to pull them out. You're going to put them in that plastic container that you have on the side, and the next step is we're actually going to use the cleaning kit to clean these print heads. I'm going to give you specific instructions on how to do that here in this part of the video. So you need to identify which colors. On the left you have yellow, center you have magenta, and on the right you have cyan. This is the color print head. If you need to clean your colors, this is the print head you're going to start with. The other print head is exclusively for black ink. If you're cleaning your black ink, you're going to want to clean that print head as well. The cleaning kit itself comes with a syringe and a lot of different attachments. You also have 100 milliliters of cleaning fluid. What you're going to need to actually do this cleaning is the cleaning kit, of course, but you're going to have the different attachments that are in here. So the main thing is, of course, the syringe, which is 20 milliliters. That's really important to have that 20 milliliters to push a lot of fluid through at once. You're also going to have this yellow piece that attaches to the silicone tubing that usually is already attached to the syringe. You have 100 milliliters of cleaning fluid in the bottle, so you can really use that to clean all of the colors if you need to. Now, this is really where the print quality report is going to come in handy, because you're going to be able to see the colors that you actually need to clean. Now that we're at this point, we're actually going to do the cleaning. We're going to start with whatever color you choose, whichever color is giving you the most issues. If it's blank, you're just going to clean all the colors, starting with whichever one you'd like. And you're going to begin to push this fluid through. If for some reason it's not pushing through, it's giving you resistance, you're going to want to take the fluid back and replace it in the bottle. And then you're going to warm up that fluid and then reinstall the warmed up fluid. Now, realistically, you have about 20 milliliters to push through each color. Depending on the severity of the problem you're having, you may want to just use 10. So if you don't have a major issue, you can use 10 milliliters at a time, so that way you don't waste through all of your cleaning fluid all at once. But if you have a major issue, you can do 20 milliliters on each color, and you would have enough cleaning fluid for all of those colors. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to switch between the color print head to the black print head. This is going to be the exact same process. You're just connecting that yellow piece to the black print head and pushing through 10 or 20 milliliters of cleaning fluid. What this does is it breaks up the blockage, because over time your printer is going to actually build up sludge and dried up ink that gets in the print head, and that prevents you from having good print quality. This process allows for you to push fluid through, so that way that blockage is broken and you can actually have a clear flow of ink. You do need to wait 24 hours before you actually reinstall the print heads, but once you've reached that 24-hour period of waiting, not powering anything on, not reinstalling the print heads, then you can reinstall the print heads, top off the ink. Again, there's a link down in the description below for the ink that I recommend. It's third-party ink. It's going to be a lot less expensive. You're going to plug your printer back in, and then you're going to go to alignment and maintenance. You should find that in your printer settings, and you're going to click on clean print head. That's not for the sake of cleaning the print head, but what this does is it will actually push the a new ink back into the system, and that is when you're going to be able to have your print quality restored 100%. On the left, you see the original print quality report, and on the right, you have your new one after doing the cleaning. These are the results that you can have if you use the cleaning kit linked down in the description below and use the instructions in this video. All right, so I really hope this video ended up being helpful. If it was, please make sure to like the video. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. I handpicked 2 videos that are here on the screen for you to watch next. Also consider subscribing to this channel. There's so much helpful content for you if you're a printer owner, and it's just good to have a resource like this for you in the future, whether you're dealing with a printer that's not printing well or you need more printer recommendations. So I look forward to seeing you again in another video.